Welcome to the slums where we do boys and dollars and monkeys, aka Elephants Good Verified. You know how we do. We're dropping nothing but the dopest in terms of local and international news. My friends, okay, start off with our own local news. Envy recently dropped his latest offering. The name of the album is called Conversations Are Better Than the Bands. He featured the likes of Just Biggie, Tony Mac, and none other than the legendary Magazine. Go out and look out for the album. It's quite amazing. I've listened to the album, so go out and give it a chance. It's a really amazing album. Okay, my friends, moving right along with niggas who are dropping. Zulu Meg recently dropped his EP. The name of the EP is called Sims, so go out and look out for it. It features the likes of Marcus Harvest and Lord Keys. Go out and look out for it. It's a quite amazing EP. Okay, my friends, moving right along with the niggas who are dropping. Jay Jody just announced that he's gonna drop his album Shine O'Clock on the 26th of July. So now he recently dropped the music video for Vanamos featuring none other than his little brother, Aries the Boy. Keep a fit to moving right along with the niggas who just dropped the music video. DJ Slick recently dropped his music video for his lead singer called Kiki featuring none other than Flo Jones, Butler, and Somyam Blicky. So go out and look out for those ones. Okay, my friends, moving right along with the niggas who are working hard. As we saw that J Money was in a situation of committing suicide, and Mananda pulled up on him and was like, no nigga, let's work on an EP or a collaborative project. Now, not so long ago, they locked in the studio, so they are busy working with the collaborative project. The name of the collaborative project is called Good Rich Baby. So we can't wait for the niggas to drop that collaborative project. Staying with niggas who are going to drop collaborative project. Wiz just announced that he's working on a collaborative project with none other than Mesh Beats. So we can't wait for Wiz and Mesh Beats to drop that collaborative album, because you know when Wiz and Mesh Beats link up, they become a problem. Not so long ago, after Wiz just announced that he's going to drop a collaborative album with Mesh Beats. Mesh Beats previewed a song featuring Usmamani, Chini, and none other than Wiz. So I'm pretty much sure that single is part of the collaborative project that Wiz and Mesh Beats are working on. So yeah, don't forget to like and comment on my channel. It has done as my page, aka the best good verified. You know how we do. We're dropping nothing but the dopest in terms of local and international news. My friends, I'm out. Peace.